Video marketing is an integral part of any marketing strategy for all types and sizes of business. But for small businesses, it can sometimes be a daunting and expensive process to create video content like video ads. This is where Canva's free video maker becomes an ideal solution for simply creating free video content in minutes. Hey guys, Stewart here, welcome back to this channel. I hope you're all having a productive day. Now in this Canva tutorial, I'm going to share how you can simply create video ads in minutes with Canva's free video creation features. Okay, so before we go ahead and dive into this Canva tutorial, consider subscribing if you haven't done so already or if you're new to this channel, and that way you'll stay updated with actionable videos and tutorials designed to equip you with the skills, knowledge and tools to help your small business thrive online. And with that happy note out of the way, let's go ahead and dive into this video ad creation tutorial. Okay, so to quickly create dynamic video ads for your business completely for free, simply head over to your browser and type in canva.com, and that's going to take you to this landing page. Or feel free to click the link in our description below this video, and that's also going to take you here. Now, if you currently do not have a Canva account, simply navigate over to sign up for free and create your free Canva account. And for those that already have a Canva account, what we'll do is meet you inside your Canva account. Okay, so here I am inside my Canva account. Now I'm using a paid Canva Pro account for the purpose of today's tutorial. However, as I'm navigating through this video, what I'll do is point out the differences between Canva's free plan and then a paid Pro plan, so that you can understand the differences between a paid and free Canva plan. Okay, so let's dive into it. Now there's a few ways that we can quickly go ahead and start creating video ads within Canva or any other type of video content. The first way is to simply navigate over to the far right hand side and click on custom size. This is where you have the option to add the custom size of the template that you want to use. For example, if you wanted to create a square template, what you could do is add 500 by 500 pixels. Now, this custom size option is ideal if you know exactly the size of template that you want to use. However, for the purpose of today's tutorial, what we're going to do is simply navigate over to search your content on Canva and click here. Then simply type in video ads. And as you can see, Canva is going to generate some options that we can use to create our video. For example, if we wanted to create a video ad for YouTube, we can go ahead and select this option here. If we wanted to create a feed ad video, so a portrait video that we could use in our Facebook or Instagram stories as well as on TikTok, then we can go ahead and select this option. We also have Pinterest video ad and LinkedIn video ad. However, what I'm going to do is simply navigate up to the search bar and hit enter and discover some of the different templates that Canva has to offer. And one of the great things we love about Canva is you can simply use pre-made templates in order to create your own designs. So for the purpose of today's tutorial, what we're going to do is choose a video ad template and then customize that template the way that we like. As you can see, if I navigate up here, we typed in video ads, and you can see that over 3,000 templates have been generated down here that we can simply view and then choose and customize if we like. Now we also have filtering options over on the left hand side. For example, we can choose video, mobile video, and then we have these other options down here. We can also view more, and then below that we have the styles. We can choose the different styles that we're after, and themes, and then colors down here. However, I like the look of this gym video here. So for the purpose of today's tutorial, what I want to do is create a video ad for a gym. And to do that, I'm going to simply go ahead and click on this pre-made template here. Now, remember, you also have the option to create your video from scratch. However, if this is your first time creating a video with Canva, or maybe you have very limited design and technical experience when it comes to crafting a video, then I suggest using pre-made templates. Now, if we navigate up to resize in the top left hand corner and click here, you can see the size of our template here. And this is going to be ideal for many different types of platforms. Now with Canva Pro, the paid plan, you can actually change the size of your designs at any stage. However, with Canva's free plan, you cannot access this feature of resizing your designs. Okay, so what we're going to do is exit out of that. And then down here, you'll notice that we have our template that we selected. You can see that this template, this scene, is made up of many different elements. Each of these elements we can simply select and then customize the way that we like. Again, if I navigate over here, we have a video element here, and then we have other elements over here. And I'll talk more about customizing each of these elements shortly. Now, if we navigate over to templates over on the left hand side, you can see that templates is already selected. Now I can search for specific video templates that I'm after just up here. So for example, if I didn't like the look of this video template here, then what I can do is go ahead and type in a keyword related to the type of design or video that I'm after. So because I'm creating a video ad for a gym, I'm going to go ahead and type in gym again. And then down here you'll notice some suggested keywords that we can also use to find specific templates. If I navigate down here, you can see we have access to all these different gym templates. Now it's important to note that if you find a template that you want to use, however you're using the free plan and you see this little pro icon down here, it means that you can only use this template if you have a premium subscription. However, for example, if we navigate down here, you can see that this is a free template. So I'm going to go ahead and actually select this template here. And here I have the option to replace this existing template with either one of these different pages or scenes. So what you want to do is consider each of your different pages. So this is a page here. When you're creating a video, think about each of your pages as separate scenes to your video. So what I'm going to do, because this template has multiple different pages, different scenes, I'm going to go ahead and click apply all 4 pages. And as you can see, if I navigate down here, you can see that my video consists of 4 separate pages, 4 separate scenes. I can click on each of the different scenes and then simply customize that particular scene the way that I like. Again, I can click on this scene, which is page 3, and then I have page 4 over here. Now I can also navigate down here and zoom in and out to have a better understanding of my video scenes. I can also navigate over to zoom thumbnails and click here, and that's going to allow me to actually zoom in to that particular scene. So that's going to allow me to add finer details if I need to zoom in and make small adjustments to my video elements. Okay, so what I'm going to do is zoom out a little bit more, and then we have this grid view option over here. If I click here, that's going to generate a grid view of all my different videos. Okay, so what I'm going to do is come down and turn off grid view, and then click on the first scene of my video. Okay, so as you can see, I'm using a free template. Now, if I navigate up to Max Fit, you can see I have a title here, I also have a little logo here, and then a subtitle down here. Now, each of these 3 items have been grouped. So what I can do is navigate up to these 3 dots, come down and click on Ungroup. And now I can edit each of these different elements. So for example, if I click on this element here, I can replace this text with my own gym name, which is going to be called Level Up Fitness. Then I'm going to simply drag this out so that it fits. I'm happy with that. And I can also resize by simply dragging the sides, or I can navigate up to the formatting options up here, and I can simply change the size here, change the font. I can also change the color, and I have these alignment and other options up here. I can also add a particular effect if I like. Now what I want to do is actually go ahead and quickly replace this element. To do that, all I would do is navigate over to Elements on the left hand side, then I'm going to navigate up to Search and type in Gym again. And that's going to generate all these different gym icons. Now if you have your own logo, what you can do is simply navigate over to Upload and upload your own logo. Now you can also use Canva to create your own logo completely for free. If you're interested in learning how to create your own logo with Canva, what I'll do is link a beginner's tutorial up above and down below in the description that will guide you through the step-by-step process of creating your own business logo completely for free with Canva. So go ahead and check out that video if you currently do not have a logo. However, for the purpose of today's tutorial, I like the look of this logo here. So what I'm going to do is quickly click this logo, and that's going to add that logo in here. I'm going to go ahead and delete this logo by either selecting delete or navigating up here and clicking the bin icon. Then I'm going to grab this logo and simply drag and drop. I can also drag out the sides to the size that I like. Then I'm going to navigate up to the color and then change the color to white, and I like the look of that. I can also navigate over to the subtext, and I can go ahead and change this text if I like, and again I have these formatting options up here, but I like the look of the subtitle, so I'm going to keep it as it is. Then I can also navigate down here and click on this video. So there's a background video in this particular scene. Now what I can do is I can either navigate up to the top and I can change the length of this particular video. So if I click here, you can see the length of this video is this middle part here, which is 3 seconds long. So what I can do is go ahead and change that or click done. And I can also navigate down here and preview the video by clicking play. So as you can see, that is a pretty cool 3-second video. Again, like I mentioned, I can make it larger if I like, and you can also see that there is an animation for this video. And I'll show you what it looks like soon when I give this scene a preview. However, what we can also do is navigate down to videos. And again, what I'm going to do is navigate up to search videos and type in gym again. And as you can see, that's going to generate videos related to the keyword I typed in, which is gym. So I can navigate through these gym videos. You can see that most of these are pro videos, which means I do need to upgrade to a paid plan. However, there are also a few videos that are free, like that one. If we navigate down further, this is a free video. If we keep navigating down, what I want to find is a darker video. So what I can do to replace this video in here is simply click and drag this video, and that's going to replace this video. So if I drop that video, you can see that's going to replace this video. Now I want to navigate up to this trimming section, and I'm going to go ahead and make this video only 3 seconds again. So 3 seconds and done. Okay, so to preview our video, simply navigate up to the top right hand corner next to share and click here. And that's going to generate a full preview of our video. As you can see, that's going through all 4 different scenes. Okay, so what we're going to do is navigate back over to close. What I'm actually going to do is navigate down to this video, and I'm going to make the video a bit longer by navigating up here and dragging that out to, let's say, 6 seconds. We're going to double the length of the video. You can also change the section of the video that you want to capture. So I'm going to capture this section and click done. Then again, I'm going to go ahead and preview this video. And this is what our video will look like. So I'm happy with the 6-second duration of the first scene. I'm going to click close and then navigate over to this element over here, which is a text element, and then navigate up to animate. Now you can actually choose the animation for the different elements on your video. So for example, this element here, this text element, level up fitness, I can navigate over to the left hand side and I can choose for it to rise up. I can pan, and then I have these other options up here, ascend, shift, there's block down here. I like the look of block, so I'm going to go ahead and click block. And now the title up here, Level Up Fitness, is a block animation, and then down here, Fitness Training, is also a block animation. Yep, so I'm going to click block again, and then I can navigate up to this icon over here, and I'm going to go ahead and click on Rise. So as you can see now, this element here, this logo, will rise, and these have a block animation. Then we also have these other elements over here that we can customize if we like, but I'm actually happy with this scene. Now, when you're happy with your first scene, all you need to do is simply navigate over to the next scene of your video. And remember, the next scene is the next page. Now, as you can see, I have this logo up here that I deleted from the first scene. So what I could do is click on this element and simply click delete. Then what I could do is head back to the first scene, navigate up to this logo, and then navigate up here and come down and click copy, and then head back to the second scene and simply paste that logo in here. So I'm happy with that. I'm just going to resize by dragging the different sides. And then I can come down and I can change this text if I like, but I'm happy with that. And again, I'm happy with this video over here. I'm going to go ahead and preview the video. I like the look of that. And again, what you want to do is go through each of your different scenes and take your time to customize each of the different scenes. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and paste in this logo again and add that in here. And then we have the final scene over here, which is page 4. And I'm going to go ahead and paste that logo. And I'm going to add that up in the top left-hand corner. Then I'm also going to come down and click here and then navigate up to these 3 dots. And as you can see, this is grouped. So each of these 3 different elements here, they're all grouped together. In this case, what we want to do is go ungroup. We can now come down and click on each of these elements to delete or edit them. So I'm going to delete this element and then go ahead and paste in this logo again and then drag that in here. Now let's say that this element is quite small and I can't quite see it. So I'm going to navigate down and zoom in. I'm happy with that. And then I'm going to simply highlight this text and change that to level up fitness again. And I'm happy with that. I'm just going to simply move that up, and I like the look of that. I'm also going to move this logo up, make it slightly bigger, and then place it over here. I'm happy with that. And then all I would do is come down and zoom back out for a more macro view. And I'm happy with my video. Now what we can also do is navigate over to the left hand side and we can come down and we can upload our own elements, our own images or videos that we want to add to our video. So for example, if you have your own shots from let's say a gym, let's say I run my own gym and I've already taken video shots of people working out at my gym, then what I can do is quickly upload those videos and then simply add them or replace the default template videos within this template. Or what we can do is come down to text and click here and then simply add a text element. For example, I could add this header up here. And then all I would do is navigate over to the font and change the font, and then obviously change the header. So because this is the last scene, what I could do is send us a message now for a 1-week free trial. And as you can see, I'm happy with that. Then what I can do is drag that out. And let's say I'm happy with that sizing. Then all I would do is drag this element and place that down here. Now I can also navigate up to animate, and I'm going to navigate over to block, and I'm going to add block. And as you can see, that's going to add that animation over here. Now I can also highlight a specific portion of this text element, for example 7-day free trial, and I can go ahead and highlight this element and change the color to, let's say, yellow. And then I can also navigate up here and I'm going to go ahead and make this italic. And as you can see, I'm happy with this call to action message that I want people to see once they've finished watching this video. Now if I navigate over to the left hand side, I can also click on photos and I can simply find particular photos that I want to add to my video. I can also navigate down to styles and change the overall color scheme of my video, so you can also create your own brand kit, which means you can change the color, the entire color of your video elements. And then below styles we have videos again, where we can replace videos. We've talked about this. And below that we have background, where you can simply replace the background. And again, all you would do is type in a keyword related to the type of background that you want to add to your video scene. Okay, so once you've customized the video template that you selected, or once you've finished creating your video from scratch, depending on what route you took, what we want to do is first go ahead and preview our entire video. So as you can see down here, we have 4 separate scenes. Now we can also navigate over here and we can add additional pages in between each of these pages or scenes, and we can also create another page, another scene from scratch by simply clicking Add Page. Okay, but what we're going to do is navigate up to the top and click on Preview. And that's going to allow us to preview our video. So that's the first scene, I'm happy with that. Then we have the second scene, again I'm happy with that. And then the third scene, 30-day free trial coaching. And then we have the fourth scene, send us a message now for a 7-day free trial. And I'm happy with that. Now we can either navigate up here to download our video, or we can simply navigate over to close and then again navigate over to share. And then we can simply share this video with people. So if you've added people to your Canva account, you can simply share this video with them, or you can simply copy the link down here, view only link, so that people can view this link. However, what we're going to do is go ahead and download this video by clicking download. Then navigate up to file type and make sure that you have MP4 video selected. Then come down and we want to make sure all pages are selected because we want to download the entire video. Then come down and click download. Then all you need to do is give Canva a moment to create and download your new video ad. You can also navigate down to copy and copy this link to share this video with anyone that you like. And as you can see, if we navigate down to the bottom left hand corner, we have downloaded our video ad. And we can now use this video ad across all our different channels and platforms that we use to promote our business. And remember, Canva allows you to create any type of video ad that you can think of. And that is how you can simply create video ads with Canva in minutes. And there we have it, guys. That is it for this brief Canva video ad tutorial for beginners. Now, if you have any questions about this process for creating video ads, make sure to pop them down below. And with that said, thank you so much for watching this tutorial all the way through to the end. If you got value, make sure you leave a like and subscribe to this channel. And that way I'll see you in the next video. Take care, guys.